Fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time or stop here, you are welcome to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, of course you are definitely welcome. And in this channel I make video on beauty, DIY skincare, hair care, and of course a little bit of lifestyle. So in today's video I'm super excited because it's going to be a product review. And okay, before I continue, I just want to put a disclaimer on this video. This video is not sponsored. Everything I'm going to talk about in this video is bought by me. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video now.
Do you want to know?
If you are not new to the world of makeup, you must or you might have heard about this company. But if you are not new or you don't know anything about products, don't know anything about brand, no problem. This brand is no other than Juvia's Place. So guys, I got my first ever Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. So you can see I got two. This is my first ever Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. Like I said earlier, if you are not new to the world of makeup, you must have heard of this brand. It's a very popular brand and they said it's the world's most pigmented eyeshadow. Like, I'm super excited. It has been long that I've been wishing to have, even though just one of this eyeshadow palette, even though it's a small one, just one. But finally my wish came to pass this past December. So they were doing a massive sales on all their products and it's 70%. So I don't want to go into details, but I bought all the products I'm able to get with the money I have. Juvia's Place brand is owned by a black woman and is a Nigerian woman and is based in US. So whenever you order for their products, you order it from the US and you always pay for shipping, and their product is quite expensive. That is why I said that I bought those products during their sales. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to first impression one. I'm going to swatch it. I'm going to give my thoughts about this product. I have two eyeshadow palettes here with me. I have the Sahara by Juvia's, as you can see here. I think so. And this is how the back look like here. So this is the back and this is how it looks like. Okay. And I have the second one, the Zulu. I have the Zulu by Juvia's Place here, as you can see. And here is the back. This is how it looks like in the back. Yeah, this art here is so beautiful. I really love the art. That is to tell you that all the eyeshadow is inspired by the African culture. Can you see that? It's so beautiful. And here is the back. It's just the same as the carton anyway. So let's just open it and see what is inside. Can you see? Can you see that? And there's another one here. Can you see this art here? So beautiful. Wow. Can you see? Like, I love the color, just like the way it is in the pictures. And so look at it here. Can you see how the color are popping? Can you see the colors? Can you see all the colors? Can you see gold? There is the gold shimmer here. Can you see this red? Can you see this red? See this burnt yellow here? Wow, so beautiful. You have 4 matte eyeshadow and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and you have 8 shimmer. So, and I love it anyway. Their name here: Boro, Sokoto, Kia, Jumiala, Ima, Ziwa, Shad, Castina, Lulu, and many more. So I'm going to swatch it, and I'm swatching all the color here to really see how pigmented it is. So I'm going to start with this shade here, this matte shade, and it's called Sokoto. So I'm going to swatch it like so. Can you see that? So I'm going to swatch it, and I'm going to swatch it here on my hand. Can you see that? Can you see how pigmented it is? Okay, and I'm going with the other one, Wodiba, and it's shimmer, and I'm just going to swatch it on my hand like so. So this is the second shade here, to swatch it here. Okay, here, and then can see how fast it swatch. Can you see that? Can you see the colors on here again? Can you see that? And the beautiful part is that it swatched very well. So all the eyeshadow are really okay. I love them. I'll go ahead to swatch shade black shade here, and it's in matte, eyeshadow. And then I'll just swatch it right under the gold. Can you see that it swatched really well? So these are all the eyeshadow palette colors that I've swatched. I'm going to give my sincere review about this Juvia's eyeshadow palette in the Sahara by Juvia's Place. I'm going to give my honest review. For the colors, I love all the colors. All the colors combination are so perfect. I really love it, and they swatch well and they are popping. I've not really used them, and probably that will be my next video. Let's see right here. Wow, can you see this? Oh my, can you see this art here? Can you see this art of work? Can you see? So beautiful. Can you see? Let's start swatching this eyeshadow. Let's see how it. So guys, let's start swatching, and I'm going to start this shade. This does not have a name, so I'm just going to start with this shade here, this orange shade, because this one did not have much colors. Then I'm going to swatch this yellow here.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover.
Swatch this purple here, and just let's go right in. So look at it. What I have to say about this eyeshadow palette, the colors are not bad. The order of the colors are not bad at all. This palette colors are so beautiful. I love them. So if I'm to give it a star, or if I'm to rate it, I'm still going to rate it star. So it deserves 5 stars. I really love this eyeshadow palette. So these are the eyeshadow. Can you see all the colors? So tell me your favorite color here. If your favorite color is here, and tell me what you think about these two eyeshadow. Is the swatch I made from this one is that of the Sahara here, and this that of the Zulu eyeshadow palette. So let me bring it closer. Can you see that? So they really swatch well, and I really love them so much. And that is it for this video. That is it for this review.
Should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all.